Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, other safety related videos, and leadership training videos. If you find this information useful or helpful, make sure you share it with your coworkers and colleagues. Well, let's go ahead and get started with the Toolbox Safety Topic video. This week's topic is the 5 stages of the fall protection hierarchy. Now, for this month, we've been concentrating on fall protection, and this is a very important component of protecting people from falls. Now, I got this safety talk from Guardian Fall Protection, and they're a manufacturer of all types of fall protection equipment. You should check them out. It's a good resource. They have specs on all their equipment, and it shows you how to use it, and then you have additional information like I'm reading to you today. So check them out, Guardian Fall Protection. All right, fall protection equipment is most commonly associated with, now go figure, saving someone's life in the event of a fall. But while this association isn't necessarily wrong, it isn't necessarily right either, because the ideal fall protection scenario is one in which equipment saves the worker before a fall occurs. A keystone of the world of fall protection is what is known as the hierarchy of fall protection, which both helps define the various applications in which fall protection equipment is used, as well as prioritizes those applications for most preferred to least preferred. Concepts such as fall restraint, fall arrest, fall prevention are common across the industry. Sometimes, however, they are treated as equivalent in regard to the level of protection offered to the worker, and they shouldn't be. So, what applications make up the fall protection hierarchy? Let's take a look, arranged from the most preferred to the least preferred. We have number 1, hazard elimination. This is the most preferred option, the safest option. The removal of the hazard by means of construction or maintenance. Take for an example an unfinished window found in a residential construction project. Once the window is finished, the hazard no longer exists. It is always most preferred to do work where there are no fall hazards. It's just common sense. Number 2, there's fall prevention. Equipment that functions to prevent all access to a fall hazard. For example, a guardrail is a physical barrier that stands between the worker and the fall hazard. And then there's number 3, fall restraint. Equipment is configured to restrain the user from accessing the fall hazard. Here there is no barrier between the user and the fall hazard, but they are using fall protection equipment that will not allow them to reach the hazard. For an example, a worker working in fall restraint, if they use a 6-foot lanyard connected to an anchorage connector 7 feet away from the hazard, the full length of the lanyard will not allow them to reach the hazard. And then number 4, fall arrest. Equipment configured to catch the worker in the event of a fall. Finally, we arrive at the most commonly thought of application for fall protection equipment, which we find is the second least preferred option in the hierarchy. This is because arresting a fall exposes the worker to significant and sometimes painful forces. Rescuing a fallen worker can also be a difficult and potentially dangerous process. And then finally, number 5, the least preferred and the highest risk, is called the safety monitor. An application in which is proven that all other types of protection are either infeasible or would increase potential danger to the worker. Here, a trained safety worker is assigned to exclusively monitor the work and safety of other workers. Now, OSHA details many specific requirements that the safety monitor must adhere to, and that can be found in 1926.502H. And there you have it. Always keep the fall protection hierarchy in mind and stay as safe as possible. All right, boys and girls, that was a short one. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you'll find additional videos of this nature, other safety-related videos, and leadership training videos. And if you find this information useful or helpful, make sure you share it with your colleagues and co-workers. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself, because you're number one. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day, and I will see you in the field. All right. Yep, the fall protect that hierarchy applies to other hazards as well. It could apply to almost anything, scaffolding, any kind of safety item. That hierarchy can be used, and that would be like administrative controls, engineering controls, that type of thing, to modify the work that's being done so that the exposure is less. Anyway, since falls are the highest cause of fatalities in the construction industry, we focused on that hierarchy for fall prevention and protection. Anyway, if you have a specific video topic you would like to see for your guys, leave me a note down below here, and I'll put something together, a video together, and get it out to you, or post it. If you have a specific safety question, feel free to leave me a comment down below, and I will answer you, and we'll get ourselves together and find references, and we'll guide to the most safest and efficient means of protection in any given situation. If you watch the and remember that these videos can be used as a toolbox safety topic video on your job site to train your team with, and for your company's sake as well. Just remember to list the video you watch. You can watch this one. I've got 300 videos. There's other people out there who make videos. Pick one of those videos that's applicable to the job that you're on. Have the guys watch it. Note which video you watched. Have some discussion. Have your team sign off on it, and that becomes a document that can be provided to OSHA to prove that you do training and hazard recognition, hazard mitigation for your team, for your job site, and for your company. Anyway, I think that's it. Oh, if you watch to the very end, I think I found a few older Easter eggs. I'll drop those in and tell me what you think. Anyway, now I think I'm done. Thanks for watching. Have a grateful day, and I will see you in the field. Stop recording.